Hi everyone, thanks again for joining me on the Burrow Home Bar for another festive cocktail. This week I am making, I say this week, I think I'm kind of knocking quite a few of these cocktail videos out at the moment in December. But today I am making for you a Frostini cocktail, so very excited for this one. Quick confession, this was meant to be a creamy cocktail and I was meant to get cream for the cocktail and I completely forgot, so I am going to substitute with milk, so we'll see how that turns out in the end. It might still be amazing. I've actually done that with other drinks before. When I've not had cream, I've used milk and it's been fab. But anyway, so yeah, forget about the cream, we're going to go with the milk and just pretend like that is how this cocktail is meant to go. So for the Frostini, I am using some Christmas cookie gin. So this is Pickering's and I actually got this, I think, for my Christmas last year. I never really used it very much, so very excited to use it in this cocktail. So Christmas cookie gin, very exciting. Along with this, I'm using Amaretto infused liqueur. So it's Amaretto and gin liqueur. Fabulous. I think I used it a few videos back. It's the gin Bothy make and it's just fantastic. I absolutely love it. So I thought that would be perfect in this drink. We're also using some Disaronno velvet liqueur. So yeah, it's like almond Disaronno, but it's kind of creamy and velvety. Velvety, it's not velvety, that's just good marketing feel. It's creamy, so it's like a creamy version of Amaretto, so I thought that would go really well in this cocktail. Just some vanilla syrup and then my milk. So yeah, let's just pretend like it was meant to be milk and everything's going to go fine with this Frostini. So I am heading out soon and I am in a bit of a rush, so I need to remind myself of that and stop talking and get on with it. I've not said that in a while. I'm heading out, I'm in a rush, I need to go. But hey, it's December, it's the Christmas season, everyone's going out here, there and everywhere. So, okay, right, 35 mils of gin in the shaker. I always start babbling when I know that I've got a time limit and I'm actually going somewhere. Okay, so 35 mils in here. Smells delightful. Smells a bit amaretto-y. That's why I thought this would kind of go kind of well. Then we're going to do 30 mils of the amaretto gin liqueur. If I can get the top off, there we go. Lovely, lovely. Perfect. Then the velvet amaretto, I'm going to do 25 mils. This is such a good one just to sit and sip. Like, oh, it's so good just over ice. Delicious. Lovely. Then I'm going to do 15 mils of vanilla syrup. You could just use simple syrup, I suppose, if you didn't have any vanilla syrup. Just something to give it a little bit more sweetness. There we go. I'm going to do 30 mils of milk in the shaker. Lovely, 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 lovely. I'm sure it'll be fabulous. Okay, so that is all the ingredients in my shaker now, so I'm going to add the ice and give that a good shake. Okay. Again, nice and frothy. This is the best part, like waiting for the drink to be ready. Okay. That is kind of iced up enough now. So for my glass, I just have some ice and sugar around the outside and then some little Christmassy coloured hundreds and thousands. And then we're just going to pour this right in the glass and then right in my mouth. I love it that it's white. It's so Christmassy, right? And then with the red, you'll see in a second, a close up, with the red and the green sprinkles, yeah, it just looks, it's dead Christmassy. So there we go, everybody. That is my Frostini cocktail. So let's give this a little taste, shall we? And this can be my praise for going out. Cheers! Do you know what? I actually like the milk. I'm not a massive creamy cocktail fan. I know I do I do a lot of creamy cocktails, but that isn't something that I would ever pick in a bar. So creamy tends to not be my favourite, but I know it's dead popular and I'm kind of good at creamy cocktails. But actually, adding the milk instead of cream makes it like smoother. It's not quite as thick and as sickly and dessert-like. So I actually really love the milk, I must say. It's lovely. It's really, really amaretto-y, believe it or not, because of the the Disaronno and the almond gin liqueur amaretto. It's lovely. The base of this, you can't taste a huge amount. I would say I smell the smell of kind of Christmas cookie, if that's even a thing. Kind of smells festive when you smell it, but I don't say I would get a massive amount of that in the glass, which is totally fine because the vanilla's coming through from the syrup and it's nice and sort of, the mouthfeel is nice from the milk. And yeah, these two are the big hitters. So that is what you're really looking for. But it does really taste Christmassy. I always think almond and amaretto does taste Christmassy to me. So yeah, I think that's a perfect one for this time of year. I hope you enjoyed me making this Frostini cocktail. Please leave your comments below if you like this one, if you'd like to try this one, if you've ever had something similar. And I hope you're all enjoying the festive season, and catch me next time on the Burrow Bar when I will be making another delicious drink and hopefully not in a rush to go out. See you later. Happy cocktailing.